Hello guys, welcome to this video. Me and my buddy Jeff are like going to PvP.
And whoever wins is gonna do whatever they want in this video, and the loser have to do it together with them.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Let's
rule
just
number
get
one
started.
rule number one in this video is that you're not allowed to like help each other, like not to like buy each other a weapon. So like let's say like I have this staff right over here, or this hammer, and he asked me for like if he wants that, I have to say no, cause like that is against rule.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Let's
And rule number two is that you have to kill each other 5 times.
Yeah.
Only eat food or drink coffee or something, whatever. Only if the match has begun. So you need to eat now or eat later. Not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Okay, and you can also eat broccoli, but I'm gonna use coffee.
Yeah.
No. It's stage 5. How about that?
Yeah, we can find the station.
Alright.
So it's gonna be my like duo in this challenge.
Alright, so
Like, bro? Yeah?
alright then. Now the
The
battle has begun. Okay.
So come here, bro. Come here. You really want to fight me?
Yep. And rule number 5, you can change weapon if you want.
Yeah.
So this weapon.
It is like a bad video that was because it's our first video.
Alright then. Rule number 7, if they have something rare, do not steal it.
Like I'm gonna after that we're going to like lobby and
That's
show
it.
kids.
Cause now I'm gonna pull out something rare. Cause I believe you. Not ready yet. Okay, now.
Shh. Just want to know.
Okay, and I wasn't. Okay, 1 point for you. What is 0-1? And behind me.
Okay. Okay, so be ready. Be ready.
That doesn't. Bro, we're just gonna get started.
Yeah, sorry.
Do not steal my gun. Do not steal my gun. No. I swear. I love this gun. Alright, I'll tell you when you can shoot. Alright, and now we need to stay far away.
Boy, you're showing me. I'm ready now. Where are you? Come out here, son of a. Yeah?
Oh, I think I'm ready. Yo, ow! Yo.
Oh.
Okay.
Guys, it's not fair.
I'm gonna give you MRE.
Don't tell me this.
So that is 1-1. That is 1-1. Hey, no. Do not kill me. Hey, chill. Wait. Yo. I was gonna give you, cause I revived you.
Oh.
So.
Thank you, bro.
Always be... Okay, ready?
And this is only our first video, so don't judge.
Mr. Yaya Kaboom.
I'm gonna take a roll.
Mr. Yaya.
Ready? I am. Ready, guys? Ready? Let's come kill him.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Did I just kill you?
Bro, my
I guess that-
voice. No, you're drunk.
No, hey, chill. Okay, that?
I'm gonna get revenge.
Give you that hot choco. You don't like.
There. Here's your Hawk Shoko. Here's my Hawk Shoko. And now, let's reload.
Yeah.
And then,
Bro, no way, guys. Guys. If you can see, I have like 6, 7. Enough of me, Marie Red. But I low key, bro, have 6, 7. And who doesn't like 6, 7? Nah, my headset is about to die. Again. Wait. No, you're just one. My headset about to die. You won. You won, bro.
yo, what the?
Yeah. Yeah, okay, guys.
He's over killing me.
I swear.
3, 3, 1.
You won. Guys. What shall we do, Jeff? Yeah. So, Devil, what is in there, I guess? Jeff! Let's just... Jeff? I'm gonna call him to say. Where are you? I'm on my way to spawn. Go on.
There you are. So isn't that cool? Isn't this gun cool?
Yeah. I think it's really cool, bro. Should we just call it a day?
And it is too much. It is 2 point more to me and 4.2 more to you.
Yeah.
And yeah, so I'm still ready.
Yeah. Good. But I don't know, bro. But come. I have a fun activity. What about if we go like down mining? Oh, I have got a better idea. We're gonna join a public lobby.
alright.
We're gonna
Wait,
join public.
I'm gonna go public lobby with my beautiful gun. I'm gonna ask people how to get this, unfortunately, because I did not buy it.
Do you get money when you shoot?
But yeah, let's just join up. No PvP.
Just a second, I'm just gonna... Jeff? You're in offline mode. Jeff? Guys? Jeff, join my server. Jeff, join my server. Jeff, join my server, bro. Jeff, join my server. We gotta say goodbye to the camera. Yeah? Yeah, you the one. But we're gonna like call it a day. You should not unfriend me. Yeah. I raised reach into video.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye.
Remember to like and subscribe. And see you in their next video.